everybody. Hello, hello. How are you? For those of you that don't know me, I am Tammy Hodges. I'm with Polka Dot Wreath Co. in Springfield, Missouri. I'm one of DecoExchange's creative and business coaches. Come on in. We're just going to make a door hanger. And the easiest way on these square ones to know where you need to do it at, you better be a measuring. This should be 18, but it's a little bit bigger than that, it looks like. So I'm just going to go right here between the 9 and the 10. I'm going to use some of these. So I'm going to go right here because this is a little over 18 inches. I'm going to go right here between the 9 and the 10. And I usually don't do that many, but today I think I'm gonna put it down a little bit. I don't like for my hangers to show. It bugs the mess out of me. Okay. Awesome. Perfect. So now it's going to hang up. All right. All right. So this particular door hanger really needs nothing added to it. But we are going to add just a couple of these, and then we're going to make a juicy bow. Not a giant juicy bow, just a bow. Okay, first of all, let's talk about this. Let's spread it out a little bit. It's been in storage and such. I'm just really afraid that it's going to cover up everything that I don't want it to cover up, okay? Isn't that the cutest? I love this. We could just put, I don't want it to cover up any words. That's where my stickler comes in with always doing a bow. But I do like doing the bows. Maybe just one of them. Maybe I'll fold it in half. This is a DecoExchange Wreath Supply Box sign. Okay, I got it. I got it. It's in my head. I'm going to go vertically with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and down in the corner, just like that, and then we're going to make a bow that is going to be more vertically inclined. I'm going to do this at about 24 inches. Okay? Because I'm going to do a funky bow. So pinch it, fluff her hair, kick her leg out, take your two fingers like this, peace sign, and twist your booty around. Same thing. Ooh! I forgot my straight pin. Guess it out. Pinch it, kick it, peace sign, and twist it. Now, this sign does not have any pink in it, so I'm not going to add the pink ribbon, but I am going to add some of this gorgeous, y'all, if you have not seen this watercolor ribbon, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. A little stinker. Okay, I'm going to come right in here. All of these are going to have tails that are facing downwards. Kind of like the downward dog in yoga. All these are going to be facing downward. Y'all, how many of you guys have gotten signed up for the Master Your Making workshop? Y'all, you're going to want to get signed up for Master Your Making. It's the seasonal splendor. I keep calling it the Master Your Making. You're going to want to get signed up. Okay, so I went vertical with this. Okay, so I'm going to come up over in here. And I'm going to sneak this stapler in. All right. It's totally fine to do that. I am going to dovetail these. Fold it like a taco. Cut it towards the sunshine for me, friends. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to move these away from everything so you can still see the florals at the top. Okay, so super sweet, super simple. Now, a couple things I'm going to do. I don't like, oh, it's not showing. I thought it was going to show. I thought the zip tie was going to show. If it did, I was going to put a little vase filler, a little, if I could find one, or a bead. You could very easily put a bead in there. Super simple. Red, white, and sweet. That'll be in my shop.